Yo, before we get into today's video, I just want to let y'all know I dropped a new asset pack. It's Chrome icons, link in the description if you want to download. What's going on YouTube? What's up with y'all boys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. And welcome to Unbroken Studios, if you're new, you know what I'm saying? And y'all might have noticed, if you look at my channel, I changed the name from Unbroken Graphics to Unbroken Studios. You know what I'm saying? I changed the name on my Instagram, TikTok, Gumroad, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? All that. So yeah. My name was always Unbroken Studios because I had a clothing brand called that, and then I kind of stopped with the clothing brand and I went over to the graphic side of things because now I'm in school for that. So I just renamed Unbroken Graphics to Unbroken Studios because I plan on relaunching my clothing brand sometime in the future. As y'all see, I have some designs working right now. But yeah, I wanted to umbrella everything, all the graphics. So I make, for those of y'all that don't know, I make cover art, I make logos, I make infographics, page layout, all that. You know what I'm saying? Poster design, all that. And I also like to design clothes, and I'm planning on making clothes, you know what I'm saying, in the future. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna umbrella all of that, all the art that I make, all the logos, all the design into one studio, like a creative studio. So that's what I plan on doing, you know what I'm saying? That's why I changed the name. I feel like it sounds more professional than Unbroken Graphics. Sound like somebody, you know what I'm saying, really quick trying to make some cover art or some logo or something on Instagram. Now I'm trying to like combine the art and the clothes and all that together. So that's why I changed my name. If y'all don't like it, fuck it, no well, you know what I'm saying? We'll keep pushing. But yeah, today I seen a couple of people in the comments was like, yeah, make a beanie design. And then for my other video of designing streetwear shorts, somebody said make a realistic mockup. So I'm about to do that right here. I'm about to do both of those things. So right here, I'm kind of just like building up right here I'm kind of just building up like a tech pack for y'all. Not a tech pack, like a vector mockup pack that y'all can cop. Like as I do these videos, I'm gonna just, you know what I'm saying, make some mockups and I'm gonna drop it hopefully one of these days. I made this design in my previous video. Y'all boys go watch that, you feel me? But this is the beanie we're gonna be designing today. Now, I filmed this like 4 times already, I'm not gonna lie. My screen recording keeps crashing. So you know what I'm saying? Alright, so basically I'm gonna show y'all how I got here. So what I did, right, is I took this design, kind of like a gallery department type, workwear type design, you feel me? I just took off the text and I left like the logo part. Just a real quick, you know what I'm saying, concept for y'all real quick. And then I have a pattern to it. And what I did to make the pattern, well, I'm gonna show y'all right now. So basically all I did was I made the star in this diamond shape, and I made that star in the diamond shape, and I made a clipping mask over that pattern so it can, like, you know what I'm saying, overlay with the beanie mockup over the line work. So basically what I'm gonna do, effect, start, transform, pucker and bloat, slide that to about right there, probably where I had it. Then you're gonna expand it, and then boom, you have that star shape that every Y2K logo, you know what I'm saying, has. But it's not mad at it, you know what I'm saying? I'm not mad at it, it looks cool. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna make another circle or ellipse, right? Change that to a stroke. Change that stroke out. All right, what you wanna do, you're gonna make a copy, send off to the side, like that's it right there. And we'll make another copy, and pixel in the front, what you want to do is you want to option or alt click, drag it to the middle, right? Select everything. Then what we're going to do is we're going to blend this. So you want to go to object, blend, make. Then go to blending options down here, and you can choose specified steps, but like if you do 2, 3 on, so forth, it looks like that. But we're gonna do 1. You feel me? Do that. Select everything. Change the line work or line weight. My fault. And then expand. Then grab the other one you put off to the side. Make sure it's in the middle. Then duplicate that to about right there. You also want to expand these. Make a line in the middle like that. And then change the line weight. Yeah, that's pretty much how I did that. A little globe effect, you feel me? And then to get in the pattern, all you gotta do, select everything. Pattern, make, and just make you a pattern, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna do it again because I already did it, but what you're gonna do once you get everything all aligned the way you want to, click done. But I'm gonna just go to cancel because I already did it, right? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a square, and then it's gonna put your pattern in the swatches like it's a color, but it's gonna be a transparent like pattern. And then there you go. There you got your pattern. And then I just took this, stuck it over it, and just added it to the mockup and made a clipping mask. I can show you how to make a clipping mask really fast. Okay, boom. So you always want your path in the front. Select everything, you know what I'm saying? And then press make clipping mask, and it made a mask. And you always double click it, and you can move the pattern, and it's gonna move it on the mask. And then, and yeah, that's pretty much how I made that. And I just took this pattern and I just put it over the beanie. If you can see me zoom in. And I just put it over the beanie. But yeah, now I'm about to show you how to make the realistic mock-up. So we're about to go into Photoshop, so let's do that. Alright, we're in Photoshop with it. I just got a random picture of a beanie from Google or something. Took away the background and I made it gray, just to match the vector mock-up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna paste our design into Photoshop. Okay, so then what we're gonna do now is probably just gonna resize it just a little bit, and then I want to kind of get it cut off just a little bit, just to kind of get that like it's wrapping around your head, you know what I'm saying, like a mock-up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rasterize this layer. I'm gonna select the beanie layer, inverse, and then I'm gonna grab the eraser tool and I'm gonna just erase everything on the outside, just to kind of get that cut off effect. right? Okay, then boom. Now there's two ways to make realistic looking mockups. You got the more advanced way, which is still kind of easy to me, and then you have the like cheap, really fast way. So I'm gonna show you the more advanced way first, right? So what you want to do is once you have everything all lined up the way you want it to, you're going to just save this. Just save the beanie. So when you do that, you know what I'm saying, you just want to go to File, Save As, you know what I'm saying, and just save it as a PSD file. But we're going to do a displacement map. So once you saved it, you're going to select your design, go to Filter, Distort, and then Displace. Right, that's gonna pop up. I just do 10 and 10. I don't really know what else to do. I just keep it like that. And then there's your displacement. I already did this, you know what I'm saying. And then it's going to displace the pattern of the beanie. See how it looks woven now? So what we're gonna do is just resize. Okay, let's resize the beanie. Right, then what you want to do, click your design again and change the blending mode to soft light, and then I like to lower the opacity to 77, and that is your realistic mockup right there. That's the hard way, but it's not really that hard. Yeah, so I'm about to show you the kind of simpler way, or a really cheap kind of fast way. All right, so we'll get rid of that. We're gonna paste our design again. All right, actually that's the wrong one. Let's paste it again. There we go. Let's just resize that. Right there. Again, select the beanie. Inverse. Rasterize. And just get rid of everything around it. Okay, boom. Now, to do the simple, cheap way is select your design. No, you want to select your beanie, right? Make a copy of it, bring it above the layer with the beanie, so then it disappears, right? Then you want to bring the blender mode of the copy to hard light, and then lower the opacity of your design. I like to do 77, and then yeah, and this is your really fast, like cheat way of doing the mockup. So this is the cheat way, right? And this is the displacement way. Now if you ask me, I like the displacement way a little better because it actually looks like it distorts it to the knit of the beanie, so it actually looks like it's knitted, you know what I'm saying? So that's just my personal opinion. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Y'all comment down below what y'all want to see next, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all like the name change, you feel me? Oh, and go down in that description. I got some free and paid asset packs if y'all want to download it or cop something. Y'all go do that, you feel me? But without further ado, we out, you know what I'm saying? Catch y'all next video.